think we finally made it to the main part of the solar system. See? 40 light years wasn't that bad now, was it, TRAPPIST-1D?
Can we just hurry up and get warm?
Come on, don't be afraid of Guillermo.
I will say, the planets here are much bigger than anything we have back home.
And not to mention smellier.
Dude, keep your voice down. He might have heard that.
Who cares? We're not here to meet smelly gas giants. Although, we could use directions.
Well, why don't we ask him? See, he looks nice.
Excuse me, Mr. Ringed Planet, sir?
Oh, I've never met exoplanets before.
Yeah, that's neat. Anyways, do you know where we could find the Earth, perhaps?
Well, my tidally locked friends, keep going that way past an asteroid belt, and then he should be there.
Why, thank you.
I like them, wouldn't you say, guys?
Hey, Arth. These two planets from the 40 light-year away TRAPPIST-1 system came to see you.
Greetings, cousin. We come in peace.
Cousin?
Whoa, what are you doing? For God's sake, you're gonna contaminate me and my Earthlings with your unknown diseases. I don't like the look of him, Mars.
Arth, be polite. We're all gonna make him feel welcome.
And that's another thing, Mars. Why do you guys always have to let in strangers with similarities to me?
Well, it's just because they want to meet you.
In fact, I think I hear a song coming on. Who let the dogs in? Who let that moon in? Moon did to overshadow me. Who let the trappies in? Mars did to overshadow me.
Hey, Arth, can I have a conversation with you in private?
Fine. Moon, just entertain these two weird planets while I have a private conversation with Mars. Are you sure coming here was such a good idea, Travesty?
Don't you worry. I'll soon talk him into it.
I apologize. He was like this to one of the moons, too.
Arth, you must be out of your mind. I swear, if you keep on acting like this to any object that wants to meet you, I almost guarantee you're gonna have no friends, no moon, and I bet you even Venus will get real tired of your insults. If I were you, I'd pull it together. You know, I always thought the Earth was rather neat, but you two are something else. I mean, being tidally locked to your star like I am to the Earth, let alone having Earth-like traits.
Well, I mean...
What he means is the universe is full of wonders. Wow, you two are out of this world. Literally.
Moon! When I said entertain them, this is not what I had in mind. Do you always treat your moon this way? What do you bozos want?
Arth?
I mean, what brings you here?
How rude of me, I didn't even introduce myself. My name is TRAPPIST-1E, and this is my neighbor, TRAPPIST-1D.
He dragged me along.
And we are 2 out of the 7 Earth-sized exoplanets from the TRAPPIST-1 star system, and made the 40 light-year journey to come meet ya.
Well, I guess I'd admit that's sort of impressive that you came all this way just to see me.
Yes, and I quite understand about the struggles and abuse you get from your Earthlings.
Well, yeah, but...
But no need to worry, Earth 2.0 has arrived, and I happen to be the most Earth-like out of the 7 in my system, so I could take some of that weight off your hands.
Oh, no way am I Earthlings ready for exoplanets.
Come on, I'm one of the best nearby candidates. We share similarities like size, composition, gravity, and temperature. On top of that, we both have compact atmospheres and water. In fact, I have a similarity index of 95% to you.
Okay, nerd, what about the 5% difference?
Well, because we're tidally locked in orbit close to a red dwarf, which I should mention does not flare up as much, allowing us to retain our atmospheres.
And explain to me why you think my Earthlings would want to settle on planets without day and night cycles.
Come on, cuz, don't be like that. Hey look, just the guy I was looking for. Hello, Astro Dude. You wanna be a good dude and colonize me? I bet you've never colonized an exoplanet before. You know the old saying? It's one small step for a ball, one giant leap for ballkind. I'm everything you need, just like my cousin. In fact, I'm a way better option than Proxima B.
Sorry, don't mind him. TRAPPIST-E can be a bit thick in the core sometimes.
D, don't blow this for me. So what do you say, Astro Dude? Come on, what are you waiting for? Land on
Hey,
me.
you leave my Earthlings alone.
Come on, cuz. Hakuna Matata.
What?
It means no worries for the rest of your days. You have finally met me, Trappist 1E.
You have no business being here. You know, guys, nothing's more entertaining than watching these two bicker like cousins. We are not cousins.
Yes, we are!
Exoplanets like you should know your place. Okay, Arth, at this point, I don't know whose side to take. You're both just as selfish as ever. I say, Trappist D, you wanna play some cards with me?
As I've got nothing better to do.
Well, can you at least land a probe on me?
No.
An orbiter?
No.
Well, I'm not leaving until I get something.
Oh, I'll give you something, alright? Guys, that's quite enough of that, both of you. And you, Trappist D, although I like your enthusiasm and eagerness, and I do agree that you are one of the best nearby candidates, the truth is, bud, the Earthlings just aren't ready to leave Earth yet, let alone leaving the solar system. I mean, Astro Dude's all we've got for now.
Oh.
However, the most you can hope for now is the James Webb Telescope may be focusing on you and your system a little more within the next year. Is there anything more you want from me? Any thoughts?
Disappointed. Come on, Travis D. Let's get out of here.
Not again!
Wait a minute. What if we just stayed here?
Our stars would not approve of that. Speak of the devil. Trappist A never flared at us like that.
Hang on, I'll be right back.
Now what?
Well, Cousin Earth, we could have worked things out the easy way, but now, I guess it's the hard way. You're gonna land on me whether you like it or not, Astro Dude. That is one small step for Trappist 1E, one giant leap for exoplanet kind. Or not. Oh.
Hey Venus, I'd say little Trappy E here should know about your horror story.